Few homeowners have ever been offered a convenient and affordable door replacement service, creating a large yet untapped market with little competition. The Homestory franchise owners use our groundbreaking door replacement technology to do in 3 hours what was once a 3-day job. The system is called One Cut. It makes replacing doors as easy as measure, cut, and fit, and is backed by a time-tested marketing and sales system developed by industry veterans. One Cut is a complete turnkey system, custom-made for the Homestory franchise owners. It includes proprietary technology for measuring door openings, order entry and point-of-sale software solutions, and product ordering and tracking, which make it easy to manage the business. Our compelling marketing and sales program gives our franchise owners the tools they need to generate leads and grow their business. Our strategic suppliers handle the door inventory, milling, and even finishing in their factory, so doors are ready to install with no on-site cutting or painting. Doors can be replaced in a matter of minutes, allowing a single crew to change out all the doors in 2 to 3 homes each day. And homeowners love the quick, hassle-free replacement process and rapid improvement to their home. The experience can't be matched, quickly making door replacement rise towards the top of the home improvement to-do list, and perhaps bringing the biggest ROI for home improvement projects. With Grandmark Solutions' turnkey solution, our franchise owners will enjoy one of the most streamlined businesses in home improvement. The opportunities now. If you would like more information or think you would make a good fit as a Homestory owner, contact Grandmark Solutions today.